In this video, you will learn how to send a receipt on Wix website. First, log in. Log into your Wix account, then use your credentials and go to the Wix dashboard. From your dashboard, select the site you want to manage. Navigate. Navigate to the store or orders section. If you're using Wix's online store, go to the store tab. If you're managing other types of services or orders, go to orders. Find the location. Location of the orders is what you need to send a receipt. You can search by customer name, order number or date. Click on the order. Once you've found the order, click on it to open the details, then send receipt. In order, you need to see the option to send receipt. Click this option and the system will email a receipt to your customer automatically. Confirm the email. Ensure the recipient is sent to the correct email address. The one is provided by the customer during the checkout process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.